Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now remember this coin at 40,990,000,000 market cap. Terra Classic price was trading between $115 and $116, and that was on April 5th 2022. And the volume, of course, I was so amazed because of the volume, which was trading at $2,480,000,000 trading volume in a single day. Wow. The truth is, this coin can never hit the same price again. It is going to be difficult. If Terra Classic returned to this market cap of, let's say, $41 billion market cap, Terra Classic, some people believe, might be trading at over $100. No. Even though if Terra Classic market cap hits 3 times what it was trading before, then let's say 41 billion with the price of $116 then, and even though the market cap hits $120 billion market cap, bringing Terra Classic to second crypto coins, to third crypto coins with the highest market cap after Binance and Ethereum. Terra Classic with 120 billion market cap might be only be trading with price of $1 and $20. Okay, so I still believe that this coin have a lot to do. Terra Classic have a lot to do. Let's hope for the best, and I believe this coin can never, for now, hit this market cap easily. Terra Classic is finding difficult to hit $1 billion market cap. So I believe maximum in the next 5-10 years, Terra Classic can hit at least a market cap of $5 to $10 billion market cap. And with that price, Terra Classic is expected to hit between 1 cent and 10 cents. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.